3 words you should replace to sound more eloquent. 1. Cool. First up, the ubiquitous cool. While it may be a go-to word, allow me to introduce you to a superior alternative, superb. This refined word conveys a sense of excellence and sophistication. An example of its use could be, the performance was superb, capturing the audience's hearts and leaving them in awe. 2. Crazy. Next, we have crazy, a word often used to describe something extraordinary or unusual. But why settle for ordinary when you can upgrade to astounding? This word truly captures the awe-inspiring and remarkable. An example of its use could be, that's astounding. It defies expectations and leaves me speechless. 3. Awesome. Lastly, we come to awesome, a word commonly employed to express admiration. But why not add a touch of elegance? Enter splendid, a term that exudes grandeur and beauty. An example of its use could be, that's splendid. It fills me with wonder and admiration. Thank you for watching. See you next time.